Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shoaib Education. Today I am writing an essay on my dream. Please subscribe my channel for education. Everyone has a dream for their future. My dream is become a successful businessman like my father. He worked hard throughout the day to excel in his work. Subscribe my channel Shoaib Education for educational content. Even if I become busy, I want to spend enough time with my family and friends. My other goal is to get some land and build. I love animals and feel sad when I see them helpless. I know I have to work hard to achieve my dream. I will have to study hard and learn lots of skills. I will stay motivated and always be confident. I will stay honest throughout my journey to achieve my dream.